Muthee Kiengei aihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno nĩ arakorirwo akĩrekereria ndeto cia magegania kũgerera social media pages ciake ciothe. Nĩ arakorirwo akĩgwatĩra an exclusive brand ambassadorial job through his media company ĩrĩa nĩyo Kiengei Live Media. He's now the brand ambassador for kambuni ya Wilston Homes and also Capital Mabati Limited. And he shared this big news kũgerera all his social media platforms and also through Kiengei Live Media Facebook page akiuga, Pastor wenu amepata kazi. Thank you Mr. Ejdia Kenyanjui, the director of Capital Mabati Limited and Wilston Homes. I am happy to host you in our Kiengei Live Media headquarters. Kiengei Live Media will execute your brand's mandate and oversee that everything works better for us. Asanteni kwa kuwa na imani na sisi. And then he shared these photos here of him and his new boss as they are signing the deal. You can see the smile on their faces and congratulations are very much in order. Narata fans and also fellow artists nimeyumirite congratulate Ihesia Wadahuhuma akiuga keep up the good work and be blessed. Ona MC Jimmy Kajim akiuga congratulations are in order. Karango Muraya akiuga congratulations Rutawera Fiu. DJ Pelos akauga congratulations. Onake Joyce Mbatai akauga congratulations. Monica Moihaki, all the best in your endeavors. Monica Kihoro, may the good Lord keep you flying higher. May the sky be the limit. Onake Kiengei nĩ arakorirwo agĩshare some amazing news, an update on his son kaĩ karĩa erĩga gũtwara nja wa bũrũri so that he can receive medication on the hearing problem that he had. Rĩu Kiengei nĩaugĩte atĩ there's been some great progress. Akiuga today I can afford a smile after discovering our son can hear a sound from far. After 1 week of treatment, God, I will continue trusting in you. May this healing glorify you, O God, in Jesus' name. We don't have any other source of power, God. To you, brothers and sisters, thanks for your continuous prayers. Na tukamedithiria all the best as his son continues receiving the treatment. We wish them nothing but the best and more great news. Ona Muthee Kiengei, congratulations are very much in order. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.